Hi everyone and welcome to another coloring video. It's day 12 for the 30-day coloring challenge, a challenge that Kathy over at the Daily Marker is hosting. This is the 9th time she is hosting it, and it's all about just taking that little time to color, to have a little bit of therapy, which I definitely needed today because I got a tummy bug. But I really wanted to get this video out because it didn't take that long to color, so I wanted to get it out to you. But yeah, what I do for my video creations. Anyhow, if you haven't seen it yet, MFT is having like a very short kind of little mini sale. You can get a coupon code. I think it's WILD, WILD. I think it's just gonna be active for just a couple of hours more when I release this video. It gives you 20% off on everything animal, I think it is. But I'm gonna put a link in the description down below, put the coupon code in the down below, and there's links to all of these. This stamp set is called The Whole Herd. It is by My Favorite Things, and this is going to be the last image in the series. I think the only thing that was left was like eggs and a big pile of hay, but I thought, well, I wanted to do him. I wanted to color this little cute goaty because he's adorable. Isn't he super adorable? Well, I am going in, and because he's a goat, I get to play with my favorite colors, which is the E40s. I have a very big love relationship with the E40s. They work for everything. I'm using the E44, E43, E42 and E41 for this goat, and I'm doing a dual layer of coloring. I'm thinking about that I have the light in the upper right corner because he's facing there. And if you ever have seen Project Runway, American Next Model, Top Model, that's the program, they always talk about how the models are supposed to face towards the light. So I'm trying to work with that with my characters too. If I'm not trying to convey some other kind of feeling, but if I want to kind of convey openness and happiness, my animals or anything I'm coloring get to face the light. So anyhow, started with a first layer with the E40s. I'm putting the shadows like in the left side and on the bottom side because then that's where you would have the rounded shadows. And I'm giving them a slight light rim around it. It's got a rim light or a reflective light, and it kind of helps making it look like it's a little bit rounded, and kind of helps to give it a little bit extra dimension, sort of. On my second layer, I'm actually not going in with the E44. The E44 is very dark, and sometimes it can be a little bit harder to blend the E44, so I decided not to go in with the E44 on the second layer and therefore get a better blend. And I have gone in with my layers, I have gone in with them so they are overlapping each other, and that will also help me to get a better blend. I'm ending up just making sure that all of those rim lights be colored with the E41, and if you feel that the rim lamp is too light, you can always go over a second layer with that same color. Just let it dry in between, and they will kind of layer on top of each other, and you will get a darker color. So if you don't have that many pens but do want to have a very slight shade, that is also a way to do it, is to use one pen, let it dry, and then just shade with the same pen, and then you will get kind of a very slight shade. I used the lightest E40s on his horns, and I'm using some R00 and R02, I think it was, in his ears. And then I went in a little bit extra with the E44 and doing that layering technique, so I got a little bit of a shadow underneath his chin there on his little beard without actually going in with a much darker color. And then I used to color this little bell, and that is the coloring for our little goat today. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please thumbs it up. It means a lot to me. And if you want to see more like this, hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!